Hello, hi, my dear friends. Today we make a beautiful piece of environment in a glass jar. Yes, I'm saying about a terrarium. For making an open terrarium, we need an open glass jar. Then, from the bottom of it, make different layers of pebbles, charcoal, and on that a layer of loam. Now, what is loam? Loam is a mixture of topsoil and sand. For making a terrarium, mostly we need succulent plants and mosses. To decorate the top layer, we can use different types of things. For example, we can use pebbles, twigs, beautifully colored stones, etc. We can use any object that has an aesthetic value to decorate our terrarium. See this bigger stone. I fixed this stone somewhere so that this gives an effect of rock in an ecosystem. Mosses, small plants, a small twig, pebbles, finally, pour few drops of water on it. See my Eden. Only Adam and Eve is needed to complete this. Bye bye.